my name is Kevin. This is my sister.
Hi, my name's Anna.
Today we're going to make a catapult and learn about inertia. You will need a spoon, and a plastic spoon will work. Well, you're supposed to use a plastic spoon. 10 popsicle sticks. You could also have them colored. Pom-poms. Well, we're using pom-poms to using any object that could use in a catapult, and then rubbers to hold the pom-poms. Sorry, the sticks, popsicle sticks. So first, get nine of the sticks, and then put them in the stack. Okay, 5. When you're done with the stack like I am, take one of your rubber bands and then put it on one side of the sticks. Since both of your rubber bands are going to be longer than the sticks, you might have to loop them around many times before they get stuck to it.
What's happening? That was close.
Twist.
Oops. We're just not doing it.
If you think that this might be hard, use adults' help. But after some time, you could easily tie this.
Come on, this will take a long time. Yes. You don't know.
So before you tie the other end, you have to stick a stick in the middle. Yeah, put the last popsicle stick in the middle, otherwise one on the bottom place of the popsicle sticks, and then tie the other end. After that, put your spoon and then tie part of the spoon. Tie part of the spoon using a rubber band on the stick, like this, at the edge. Now you got your catapult ready. Now to blast some objects.
First, my turn.
Okay. 3, 2. Wait. Ready, Anna? Wait.
I say.
You hold. You have to hold here so that it doesn't, like a counterweight, so that it doesn't fall. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
It balances. Okay, Anna, your turn this time.
Okay. Wait.
This time, let's see if Anna can do it farther. Ready, Anna? No, I'll hold this time.
No.
3, 2, 1. Wow! That one far.
No, I gained my turn. I can do it by myself.
Okay, looks like Anna's gonna herself. Okay, this happens because of inertia. When an object in rest stays at rest, while object in motion stays in motion. You see? However, if a force acts on one of them, then the rest will will turn into motion, and the motion will turn into rest. This is the same thing with the catapult. When it moves back, it stores potential energy, and when it leaves, it uses its potential energy to make kinetic energy. Okay, so when you pull it back and leave it, the pom-pom will still continue going while the spoon stops. So the pom-pom was still moving even though the stick stopped. Sorry, even though the spoon stopped. However, because of gravitational force, it pushed on the pom-pom and then made a curve all the way to the ground. That's why you guys always goes in a like a rainbow way before it lands on the ground.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Smart Time Kid. Bye for now. See you soon. 2 pom poms. Boink.